Disaster can strike at any time, but if you're well trained and you have the proper gear, you just may be prepared to meet it. So my name is Thomas Coyne, Chief Instructor at Coyne Survival Schools, and I am going to tell you how to form an improvised sling with a keffiyeh, also known as a Shemagh. We want to make sure that we splint it in what's called the position of function, almost like a pledge of allegiance. And a really easy way to do this with the keffiyeh is to go ahead and make our own triangle bandage. So I will form a triangle with this, then fold it back in here, bring the point in here. So I'm going to leave the folded up portion on the inside. I'll have my patient assume the position and simply tie now. Now, if you've ever heard the term sling and swath, the next step would be swathing this. Taking something like this elastic bandage, go lift up an arm. And see, I'm wrapping this fairly loose so her chest can expand and contract easily. We just don't want this wiggling around with the patient. Now, if they've dislocated their shoulder, if they have a broken humerus or a fractured collarbone, this is the position that we will sling and swath them in, regardless of if you have any kind of official medical gear or not. So thank you for watching, and many more tips coming soon.